This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Do you know what all of these words have in common? Boat, coat, float. They all rhyme. Rhyming words are words that end with the same sound. The words boat, coat, and float all end with the oat sound, so they are rhyming words. Boat, coat, float, goat. I love rhyming words. We hear rhyming words all the time in the books we read and even in the songs we sing. Today, let's work together to find some rhyming words. This is a hat. Let's look at some other pictures and see if we can find a word that rhymes with hat. Here are two pictures for us to look at. I see a bat and a cow. We want to find a word that rhymes with hat, so let's say each of these words after the word hat. Hat, bat. Hat, cow. The word hat and the word bat both end with the at sound, so bat is the word that rhymes with hat. And speaking of the word bat, here comes a ball. Let's find the picture of a word that rhymes with the word ball. Look at this picture. It's a kite. Let's say these words together. Ball, kite. Do you hear a rhyming sound? Maybe this one. Ball, fall. Both of these words end with the all sound. So fall rhymes with ball. I sure hope he didn't fall trying to catch the ball. How about we look at one more together before you try some on your own? Look at this. It's a mug. Let's look at some more pictures and see if we find a word that rhymes with mug. Here we have a rug. Mug, rug. Think about the ending sound in these words. Now listen to the word mop. Mug, mop. Do you think those words rhyme? Let's listen again. Mug, rug. Mug, mop. Mug, rug. They rhyme. They both end with the ug sound. Great work. Now it's your turn. See if you can think of some more rhyming words, and then try to find some more rhyming pictures on your own. Remember, rhyming can be fun. Great work, everyone.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.